Billy Boats are talking back, y'all. Them Billy Boats are sounding real good. Mike, right here, no doubt. Mike,
you guys doing?
yes, no doubt, no doubt. It's going down. All the Corvette boys are here, y'all. This is some serious game, man. This is no joke. Corvette boys here, y'all. Okay, we're gonna change the marker light on my C5 right here. We're at a car show in Ocean City, Maryland, Corvette weekend. We're gonna change out the marker light, and it's also the blinker. So we're gonna push the air dam back. We're gonna push the air dam back and get our hands up in here so we can access this light here. Air dam is here. We must push it back and move it back out of the way and push it down. Does it push back all the way? I gotta push this back and push it down. See how it moves? Okay, y'all, Corvette boys here. Big West of the Corvette boys just reached up in here, pushed the air dam down to change out this marker light right here on the side of the car. He's just able to reach in so we can change this bulb out. We're here live at the Ocean City Car Show, All Corvettes Weekend 2019, Free State Car Show. And we're gonna change this marker light out right now. It's pretty easy, y'all. You reach your hand in, push your air dam out of the way, downwards, reach in, get the bulb, turn the fixture clockwise. And what we're gonna do before Big West puts this back, we're gonna start the carpet, make sure this is working. This is working properly. We're gonna start this carpet, make sure it's working properly here. Okay, just hold on one second. Hold that right there. All right, y'all, so the marker light is fixed along with the blinker, and Big West is gonna reach his hand back in here and turn this counterclockwise to get the fixture back in there. It's a little tight space, but it can be done, y'all. He's gonna turn it counterclockwise and get the fixture to go back up so everything is nice and snug and fitted in properly. And we're back into place. Everything's all set, folks, and this is where you go and change your marker light right here. Through here, you push your air dam back, push it down, reach in, turn the bulb clockwise, pull the fixture out of this location right here, change your bulb, put it back, put the bulb back counterclockwise until you hit a click and you'll be good. See? Now we're all good. Big West of the Corvette boys, got to give it up to him. He just changed this marker light at the show, live here in Ocean City, New Jersey. So I'm gonna go around here and get the car teched so we can get them on the boardwalk. I believe it's over at 5 o'clock. You know, when they're checking the cars, I think it's over at 5, right? All right, yo, Corvette boys, y'all, it's a serious game, man. No joke. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, y'all. Subscribe. We got a beautiful channel, and we're gonna show you how to fix these cars and make it right on your own. All right?